How to create your crew in Rockstar Social Club. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can create a crew in Rockstar Social Club. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first thing first, what you want to do is you have to simply open your browser and then go to rockstargames.com, or you could also simply go to socialclub.rockstargames.com. I will make sure to leave this link down in the description box, and go ahead and simply go to socialclub.rockstargames.com. Once you go to socialclub.rockstargames.com, as always, obviously you have to simply sign into your account. So go ahead and tap on the sign in button, and then simply actually enter your email address and your password in order to sign in, and then tap on the sign in button. Once you tap on the sign in button and then sign into Rockstar Games, you can see sort of that this is how the interface is going to look like. You'll be able to see a bunch of all these options. In order to create our own crew, what we have to do is on the top left hand side, you can see the little menu icon. You have to simply tap on this menu icon which you see, and over here you'll find a second drop down menu which says crews. So all you have to do is simply tap on this crews button, and you'll find the first option which is my crews. So all you have to do is tap on my crews. Once you tap on my crews, you can say looking to build up your rep, don't blast through the back alleys and storm the streets of Grand Theft Auto Online, and max Pain Tree alone. So you have to scroll down and you'll find this button whether you want to actually create a crew or to join a crew. But you have to simply tap on create a crew button. As soon as you tap on create a crew, you have to simply enter the name for your crew, and then you have to also simply select your crew tabs such as Chatterboxers, Troll Seekers, Rebels, Soldiers, and All Stars, and you could go ahead and also simply enter these details. You can choose your crew color if you want. You can also choose your motto if you want. You can see if you are currently in game, please reboot to start using a new crew, or you could actually reset to defaults, and you could go ahead and see all of these ranks over here. You can choose your crew actions right over here on this particular screen, and then tap on save this crew button at the bottom of the screen in order to create a crew in Rockstar Social Club. And this is how you can create a crew in Rockstar Social Club. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.